That's me. Danny. Mail. I don't want to open mail. Antonio. I cannot read that. Guess what? I'm moving. Yeah, I know. Stop crying. We'll still be friendly rivals, right? Your friend Antonio. I didn't like that letter, Antonio. No, it's hard to read. Okay, it's good enough. Alright. Oh! I got bit by a mosquito. Why wasn't it the same rock twice in a row? Hi. Feel free to take your time. I have a wallpaper. Here. I have a wallpaper for you. So all together, I'll pay 200 bells for everything. Here, look here, let's go, thank you. Thank you. Thanks much, please do come again, we'll be waiting. You better be waiting for me, I guess. What are you doing here? Darling, you're talking to Gracie, Countess of Couture in the expert of style. What do you need? Oh my, hello, you're quite the specimen, aren't you? Tee but darling, what kind of tragedy struck your wardrobe? You are in need of some serious fashion first aid stat. Honey, I know you're here to get your fashionista badge. More and more people are embracing their inner fashion maven. Well, anyway, where were we? Yes, honey, let's see what you've got going on. Darling, let's start with your measurements. Shoulder, chest, waist. Oh my, wouldn't it be hot if I used a silky fabric? Oh, sweetie. Time for a fashion pop quiz. Beauty isn't just looks, you know. You also need to know your flair. Show me how saucy and savvy you really are. Here's your first question. Which of the following is the most beautiful? Pearl necklace, floral patterns, boxer's physique, or courage? Probably courage. Okay, darling, get your bad self ready for question number 2. Chris, you're into dieting. No need. Watch yourself, honey. Question 3 is coming your way. You hit up a hot sale. You only have time to run for one area. Where do you go? Clothes. Darling, you'd best be ready for question 4. Even trashy off-the-rack clothes look better without wrinkles. How do you sit to avoid wrinkles? Never sit down. And finally, when you check yourself out in the mirror after a shower. Okay, darling, I know where you stand in the world of fashion. You're the present as proof of how close your sense is to mine. Darling, can I get a drum roll up in here? Ta-da. Oh, and hon, I just got one more thing to say to you, darling. Enough with the heavy breathing. For once, you're not looking hideously tacky, but you're still a long way from the runway. Okay. I don't need that. Oh. Flea market, okay. You're not home. Okay. Or just don't have your lights on, I can't tell. So where is everybody? It's pretty strange. Oh! Pulls weeds. Well, at least you're home. Where is everyone else? Hello? Good evening, Danny. Did you hear me? I said, now that it's dark out, doesn't it feel like cool and out and moody? You know what I mean? Like we should be toasting with cocoa. Here's the image of me reflected in your eyes. I've been totally obsessed with judo lately. I watch it when I sleep, when I eat, and even in the bathroom. When it comes to watching it on TV, well, I'm the undisputed champ. Yeah. Are you? Is that so? Is that true? Is that a fact? Is that right? Interesting. There you are. Gotcha. Yeah. Scumbag. Haha. Wait a second. How'd this happen? Ew. I didn't want that. Huh. Well, I didn't want that. Well, I can sell that, I guess. Okay. Oh, boy. Mary. Oh, no. Hello. Good evening, Danny. Pudgy, did you hear me? I said Pudgy! Now that it's dark out, doesn't it feel all cool and I don't know, moody? You know what I mean? Like, we should be toasting with bubble tea. Here's to the image of me reflected in your eyes. Sometimes I wish I could talk to people from other towns more. You could invite friends over to visit our town. I know you have a lot of them. Wouldn't complain, not even if they gave me noogies. Well, it's just too bad, because that's not gonna happen. I don't think you understand, sir. I don't have friends. Knock, knock. Hi. Good evening to you. How's life, Danny? Man, I skinned my elbow and I've been picking at the scab all day. Once I started, I just couldn't stop. What's wrong with me, partner? That's shit chat. It's weird you got this big interior design lately, partner. Don't judge Danny, and if you find any chic, for sure, come let me know with the quickness, partner. I can't open it. Why can't I open stuff? That's just a shame. Here we are. Okay. Well, good evening to you, Snoink. Going out at night to garden can be so exciting, Snoink. It's kind of addicting, so what can I do for you, Snoink? Not really all that into bugs, actually. I think they're a little disgusting. I paid a lot for this net, and I'm not going to let it go to waste. So why'd you pay for it? Why'd you pay for it if you don't like them? You just put it away. Hey there. Wow, you scared me. Phew, I'm a honey bun. I'm bored. You know, I'm for like, if you can you please give me a tiger butterfly? Fine. But I have no idea where I'm gonna find one of those. Neat. Caught a tiger butterfly, the star of butterflies. Just between you and me, I like flamingos a lot too. Flamenco. What? Hey, sweet, it's you, honey bun. Right. What? What? And lasagna's Miss Bug Idol Extreme. I'm gonna sell you on the black market is what I'm gonna do. If you're just gonna be like that. Let's see, I should probably, well, I should probably make an ad for her on Craigslist, because Well, I don't know. Should I put her in a can first? Is rabbit stew any good? Well, now you guys are up here. Hello. Oh, Danny, isn't this a great time of day? Maybe it don't look like it, but I'm really into nights like these. Wow. Now that that's all the way, I guess it's not so bad being a member of the Happy Room Academy, but I still don't really understand them. Why? I mean, how dare they tell me I've got bad taste? How dare they? You know who has bad taste? That rabbit. The other rabbit. The other one. Not you. The other one. The annoying one. That wanted the stupid butterfly and then was like, no, I got one. Where'd you go? There you go. Good evening, you're up late tonight. What's up, kitten? I'm happy you're still up though, because that means I have someone to play with. Got any juicy gossip? I don't seem like it, but I'm quite shy around you people, kitten. I was like talking to you because it's none of that awkward. It's none of I have to stop this fun new adventures. I gotta meet new people. Have you considered... Oh, wait. I have to go water that turnip that I planted in front of Antonio's house that isn't there anymore. The bug catcher's way. Approach the catch slowly, lest it fly away. Where'd it go? Did it disappear? Is it gone? How'd that happen? Did he take it with him? Did he take it with him in his... Did he... Okay. Whatever. Hello. Who, indeed, hooty hoo. It's always a treat to have visitors here. Welcome to the Lasagna Museum. Do you enjoy? I'd like you to, here you go. Fascinating, who am I? Yes, who, indeed, it's a mammoth torso. That I shall return it to you, that is, I should return it to you, but it's not been donated. Here you go, you can have it. Who then, if you insist your donation is... Who am I? This means the mammoth is complete. Who, indeed, I must go one step further and proclaim woohoo. Please allow me a moment to go to tell of the mammoth. Resembled an elephant and only became extinct a mere 10,000 years ago. The shaggy beast lived in the Ice Age and developed pronounced tusks. What? Yes, it used them to scrape ice and snow to get to the plants that it fed on. Who? I'm so very sorry. I'm rather a mammoth blabber myself. So might there be any other fossils? No. Who is that so? Well, if it's fossils you wish to know about, do not hesitate to ask. Yellow. Care for a cup of java to pick you up? Like usual. We got the special houseplant today, but it turned out a little differently. Care for a little pigeon milk? Yeah. I think you're going to be very pleased. Am I? Thanks. There we go, at the perfect temperature to bring out the flavor, 176 degrees. Thank you. Sweet and mild, this can be none other than the world-renowned pigeon blend. Thanks. Back in the day, I used to have myself a little cafe in the city. Those were black days and bitter. I was bitter, my coffee was bitter. I guess I shouldn't be surprised I couldn't pull in the customers. It was a coffee, you see? Nobody wants a bitter cup of java. Sure they don't. Sure they don't. Preparing to end your can? Do not turn the power off. Turn on the... I don't think I could if I want... Well, I could because it's on the gamepad. But I don't know which button on the Wii U is actually the power button and which one's the eject button. Same with PlayStation. And I've been using that for 4 years and I still can't tell the difference. Wait, no. Not CI, wait. Yeah, wait. Yeah. Okay. What's in the mail? Probably nothing. Cool. Cubbyhole? That sounds stupid. No. Wait, did I find that? I don't know. I forgot. Lovely dresser. Lovely. Danger shirt. Oh, I found out something interesting. You can't have a perfect town if you have trees that are diagonal or touching each other like these two. Gotta cut these trees. This tree. Okay. Hey, how's it going? Listen, I was wondering, have you made some good friends, Bazaar? Is that so? Well, good, that saying is true, huh? Better's a neighbor nearby than a brother far away. Well, actually, brothers are pretty important, near or far, and far off pals too. That saying bites, Bazaar. It's new. Oh, killer! You got a lovely dresser? Where'd you find it? I've been looking for that exact thing all year long. Come on, Danny, sell me your lovely dresser. I'll give you all my... Also... What, really? Awesome, Danny. With this in my room, I'll be inspired to work out to the extreme, whatever that means. I can't even tell how much that was. So I don't know how much I had before. So I gotta go cut down some trees that are touching each other. Oh boy. Probably gonna have to buy another axe. Okay. So... Ah! What do I do? Ah! Ow, I got stung by a bee. That's not rad. Okay. Hey, look, a thing. Wow, it's a flankoid. That's lame. Oh, there's a flower back there. Yeah, hello. I'm probably gonna need another axe. I'm gonna sell these things, sir. And this, and this. And these two. Yeah. 10,400. Nah. Please tell me you have an axe. You don't have an axe. Do I have an axe at home? I hope so. Well, we got that. Whoa! Is that a jumbled up pile of dirt and dust and twig and junk and garbage? I hope so. Alright. I might have another axe at home, I don't know. Hello. Ah, freak, you scared me. Is that you, Danny? I didn't even recognize you. How many times were you stung, you think? When the bees started buzzing, you best started running, moist spit. Is that so? Hey. Oh, no way. How many times did you get stung? It looks like there was a bee birthday party on your face. I don't know what you were looking for when you were shaking trees, and I don't want to know. You probably shouldn't press your luck so much. Blah. You're probably right. Oh, these two are touching. Yeah. This one. Oops. I'll cut down this one. And this one. I heard it. Oh, my thing's about to break. My axe. I'd better check to see if I have another one. Because if I don't, then that's a problem. Might have one in a drawer somewhere. No. Me, ticket. Is this really not a thing I can open? It seems useless. Purple balloon, green balloon. Yeah. Green tie-dye, no. Do I not have an axe? Huh, I don't have an axe. Strange. Where'd I get this? Sure hope it lasts. Oh, it's a gyroid. Let's talk to you, because I was over here. Wait, oh, there you are. Eek! Don't try to scare me like that, creeping up on a girl with some super gross mask on. And Danny, is that actually you? Oh, were you stung by a bee? Poor baby, that's not kind of fun. I bet you were doing something naughty, like throwing rocks out of hive or shaking trees, sweet pea. Sure. Fine. Oh my gosh, what happened, Danny? You look really, really awful. Oh no, not the bees again. It looks like they threw a party on your poor face. They're so vicious. Should have run. Why didn't you run away? That would have been totally smarter, Cuddles. Oh, your face. Were you stung by a bee? I hope so, because if not, you have problems. Don't you know anything more, Aaron? Didn't your mother tell you have to run inside when bees are chasing you? If you don't, they'll just keep chasing you until they catch you, Morar. Everyone knows that. Well, I did not. Another one. Why are there so many trees touching? There's a bunch of them right here. There's a ton of them. Alright. Cool. I don't even know how they do that. It's like, I think they do that when you first move in, but yeah, I don't think you can plant them and get them to grow like that. The next thing it's going to tell me is, oh, there's not enough trees. You cut down too many trees. You shouldn't have done that. What is wrong with you? Why don't you cut down all the nature and trees and all the... Why would you do that? We have perfectly lush forests and you cut them down? What's up with that? Child Protective Services. Iggy startled me. It looks like it's... well, hold on, Danny. Is that you? It is. What on earth happened? You really freaked me out for a second there. And I'm calm again now. Were you teasing bees, Sweet Pea? Bees can be pretty determined when they're mad, but if you're fast enough, you can get away, Sweet Pea. Well, have you considered that maybe I am not fast enough for bees? Hey there, Bob. Wow! I've never seen anyone get stung that bad. You don't look terrible, though. In fact, you're looking swell. Sorry, I gotta ask Danny. When the bees come after you, do you run? I mean, you weren't trying to catch the bees in your net, were you? Because you can't go doing that. You can't. What do you mean? I can't do that. Hey there. What in the help? Oh, wait a second. It's you. Don't scare me like that, Danny. Cripes. Did you need did something happen to you? I hope so, because your face looks just awful. You should know that you have to be careful around bees. I guess that's pretty useless advice if you can't tell when a beehive is nearby, Nutmeg. It is. Thanks for telling me that, even though it's useless. Okay, so this one is touching 2 trees. My axe is gonna break any second. It's lasting longer than I expected. It lasts longer than the golden tools in New Horizons, and that's a shame. Wow. Oh, what? You can't... Huh? A classic van... Where'd that come from? Huh? What's up with that? What are you talking about? What do you mean there was a classic vanity there? Why? Oh, this one's touching 2 trees as well. Thunk. Alright. Pulls weeds. Alright. What are we doing? What's going on here? Ow! Good evening to you. Let's be extra careful when we're walking alone at night. Goings on? Ask about goings on? Well, today's the day Katrina the fortune teller. Hey, it sounded like you had a few things I'd like to ask if that's her real name. You don't think... What time does she come? Like 8 o'clock and later? 9 o'clock and later? I don't know when she'll be here, so... Probably not until tomorrow. We won't see her. Okay, so... Which of these trees should I cut? Oh, I was about to go dig that up because, I don't have that good of a memory. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! That don't look good. Alright. Pulls weeds. I should probably talk to you. Pulls weeds. Hello. Hey, Danny, what's the matter with your face? It looks slightly more offensive than usual. The bee's got you, eh? Don't worry, I'm sure it'll be all better by morning. If you go to bed early, that is manchuo. Okay. Alright. We're doing decent. We got a bunch of these trees cut down. You need to cut this one. You're not touching another one up here. Okay, good. I didn't actually want to cut this one. I wanted to cut the other one, but I didn't realize I was facing the wrong way. My bad. Why are there so many? Why are there so many trees I need to cut down? I heard that. Okay. I see one up there, but I want to talk to you. I don't know if I have to do every single one. Other things. Areas where there's very little green. A feeling of despair. Go to acre A2. I cut down too many trees. Who's there? Who's that? Oh, Danny. Sorry if I sounded gruff. It's dark out. I see a creepy looking face. It kind of startled me, Sweet Pea. That bee sting you're sporting doesn't look all that good. You should probably go home early and get some rest. Otherwise, the swelling might not go down overnight, Sweet Pea. Yeah. Check it out. I dug up a gyroid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where'd they go? I got stung by a bee. I got bit by a mosquito. Oh no. I started chopping the wrong tree, too. Okay. Ow! It's a squatting void! Pulls weeds. Check it out, I dug up a fossil. It's one fossil. I heard that. Alright. Okay. Alright. Wasn't there a... Yeah. What's up with this? You can't tell me that... No. You can't just do that. There were 4 touching. That means I had to cut 2. That's pretty lame. As long as this axe gonna last. It's lasting a lot longer than I expected. Oh boy. Don't fail me now. Alright. Cool. Sure hope there ain't any more. That's a shame. Ah! Oh, my axe broke. Oh. Hey. Oh, mercy me, I almost didn't recognize you, Danny. It's a good thing it's dark. I'd be too mortified to go out in the light of day with my face like that. Ah! If I were you, I'd go straight home and lock my door. Ah! Is that so? Alright. How many more do I need to cut down? There's the one that I didn't get to cut down because I accidentally... Oh, there's another one. There's some more. Here's a decent number. Wow, you look hilarious. War har har har. I mean, thanks for the chuckle and everything, but aren't you embarrassed to be walking around like that? Listen, no master of the bees. You better turn around and go home so you can get some rest, Grumble. Otherwise it might not heal right away, Grumble. Okay. You're right. Mr. Funny Guy. I should plant some apple trees because I had to cut down trees and now there's not enough trees. Hey there, wench. Oh, mercy me, I almost didn't recognize you, Danny. It's a good thing it's dark. I'd be too mortified to go out in the light of day with my face like that, Sweet Pea. For you, I'd go straight home and lock my door, Sweet Pea. Uh-huh. I mean, you should do that anyway because you're already hideous. Okay. Oh well. And I need to grow a tree here. At least one. This is, yeah, it's A2. Sweet. I feel like there's too many trees here though. To be honest, let's put this in the what's in the envelope. There you go. Huzzah. Check it out, I dug up 1,000 bells. Bury that. Alright. Those weeds. Are there any double? There's a double tree. There's a double tree. Whoa! It's a fossil! Neat. Hello, ma'am. I would like to mail some letters today. I have some letters to mail, in fact. Some letters for you. Here you go. Ah, yes, I see. Would you like to know? No, I would not, actually. Let's see here. Today is Tuesday. Hold on. I need to go do something. How much money do I have? 14,000. Hello, I'm back. I have something I need some business I need to attend to. Yes, hello, I'm here. How much for this? Yeah. 520. Perfect. Thank you for your continued patronage. Here's a raffle ticket. I need those. Do I have the money to buy all this crap? Oh boy. Yeah. Let's try to buy as many as I can. Let's try to get everything if I am able. Kitty wardrobe. 2180. Yeah. Oh, I farted. Wow. Woo. Thank you. Cubby hole. Yeah, give that to me. Thank you. Yes. It's a raffle ticket. Does an owl clock interest you? 1,300 bells. That's for me. It's for me. It's a cabin armchair. Yeah. Yep, thanks. Uh-huh. Oh wow, I don't have the room. He said he'd mail it to me. I was like, what? Why are you gonna mail it to me? Heck yeah. I can buy them all and sell them for double the profit. Thank you. Thank you, do come again? Okay. June ticket. Okay, so they'll mail me one and I'll be able to do it twice, so that's pretty rad. Hello, I would like to save. Would you like to save? That's right. Okay. Thank you. Are you done already? I suppose I ought to save your town data to the memory card in slot A. Good, and then you can get out of my house because I don't like you. I do not like you. I can't even see your eyes. Because you're so ugly. And you have such a deformed face. Thank you for waiting. I hope to see you again soon. See ya!